Hey, what's up, guys? I am trying to do a little hack here for your scanning. All right. So what I have here is I'm just going to grab here a black shirt. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is on a counter, I'm just going to throw this black shirt on here. Blah. So here we go. Just laid it right on there, just like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Genius Scan, and this is what Genius Scan looks like. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my paper on that flat. I'm going to hit the plus. Well, first of all, with Genius Scan, with the gear here on top, which is your settings, go to General and hit Page Dimension and select Letter. Right. What letter does, it will give you the 8.5 by 11 size. All right, so I'm going to go back. Letter is selected. I am done. I'm going to hit this plus sign in the bottom left-hand corner. And now, before I start, see on the top right-hand corner, there's batch. If I hit it again, it says single. If I hit it again, it says batch. Batch means multiple pages. Single means single pages. Okay, so on the bottom, I'm going to just do this. And it's going to scan it. Boom, done. Okay, so I'm going to put the second page on here. All right, I'm trying to make something occur here. Let's see if it does. It does not occur. I'm going to take it to the third page, do the same thing. And there I go. Trying to. Okay, now, if it doesn't catch a page, right? Let's say that it keeps on rolling in circles here, right? What I can do is just go ahead and hit that circle in the middle. Oh, I took it. All right, I got more pages. So here I go. I'm trying to stand out of the way. That's why it's kind of angled. It's not catching this very well because either I'm moving. So I'm just going to hit this circle in the middle. And there it is, okay? So it goes in. Just let it be. Let's see what that looks like down the road. Okay, same thing here. So this way I can do it twice for you. All right, so there is all of my pages, right? So that's done. So now I have the choice of saying done. So I'm going to hit done. So now it's going to give me my 6 pages. I can swipe through my 6 pages. I would tell you to scroll in to say, okay, can he read any of this, right? Can he read all of this? Yes. Nothing is faded. Everything looks pretty good. Oh, this one. So this magic wand down here in gray, if you click on it, it'll give you a couple options. Recrop. Recrop just means if I crop it, I want to show, the crop is basically saying I want to select the box that I want to represent my document. So I'm going to hit recrop. Now, you see this box, this is what it looks like. So if I go to the top left-hand corner, I touch anywhere clear the top left-hand corner. If I hold it down, look at the the circle there, and notice that the circle has like a target line. I'm going to put it right to that corner as close as I can and let it be. Do the same thing on the top right-hand corner. See the arrow? All right, so I'm going to try to put it right there, close enough, okay? And I'm going to say detect. Oh, no, it's detecting that. So let me put it back down. So detect, I was just trying it out. I have no idea what it does. Let's come down a little more. Same thing with the right side. Because I don't really want to see the shirt, I'm going to hit done. And there it is. It looks kind of wacky. Let's see what the filters give me. Let's say just black and white. Scroll in a little bit, not too shabby, right? It looks like the paper is a little wrinkled. Format, I really don't need it because I already said letter, so that's why the letter is highlighted. This way I know it's an 8.5 by 11 that's going to size it to. And sometimes some of your scans might come up sideways, so just hit rotate to the right. If you got this and you hit rotate to the right, go oops, just keep on hitting rotate to the right, and there it is. So it's done. So I can swipe to the last one, hit recrop again. Oh, not bad, not bad. Let's say done. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit a filter and let's go black and white. Let's see. Color isn't too bad either, right? So the color picks up the red pretty well. So maybe that's what I want to do. All right, so let's go with that. Why not? Let's come back to this one and let's hit that magic wand again and let's hit filter and let's call that one color. You know what? I kind of like the color thing. Let's go to all the pages and hit color, right? Color, color. Okay, so if I scroll in, I can see that, okay, not too bad. Those look pretty good, right? Because definitely the writing got lighter, and this is where my concern was. Not too shabby, okay? Now, just so you guys know that most of this right here that I wrote is my first draft. So there should be no reason why your second draft is not better than my first draft. Okay, so here is what I have. Awesome. I'm done. So what I'm going to do, so a couple of things I can do. I could rename it, right? So I can hit on the top right here. Let me hit cancel where it says 2021 01 16 18 55, right? If I hit that, it will highlight that name. And I said, okay, this is my 1105 lab work 2 Chan, right? So at this way, at least I have it named. I'm going to say rename it. So that's what's going to be on top. On the bottom right hand corner is that little box with an arrow coming out of it. Just tells me I can send this, right? So this says, all right, the format is a PDF. I want the actual size, password not needed. I'm just going to hit email. And then when it comes to email, I can say, okay, I'm going to send it to jchan2 at fsw.edu, right? Now, notice that the arrow going up on the top right-hand corner is gray. The reason why it's gray is because it's saying, okay, are you done typing your email or what? Right? So double check your email, going, yep, that looks good. You're certainly welcome to say, dude, this is your lab work 2, right? And then you can just hit send, and now it's going to go directly to your email, right? So that's one. The other thing is that let's say that I did number 8 wrong, right? Let's say I did number 8 wrong. Okay, so if number 8 was wrong, what I can do is I can hit this add symbol. Okay, let me show you here. I can hit add, and I want add from camera. And there I go, boom. It's gonna scan that in there. Okay, so hit done. So let's see where that went. So there's 9, there's 8. What can I do with this page 8 here? If I can hit delete, and now I got 7 to 9 to 10 to 8. Ooh, well, first of all, let me change this filter to color because that's what I liked before. And now edit, I can move it. I want to move it. Ooh. I have an existing document. How do I move this over to the next thing? Because it won't let me do this. Okay. So, LabWork 2 Chan. Row. So maybe what I need to do is hit delete this. Now I'm page 7, right? So there's no page 8. Maybe now I got it, then hit plus from camera and redo 8. Redo my 9. And 10 there. So now I'm done. So now I added those two back in, but I want to change the filter to color and color. Awesome. Looks pretty good. All right, so this is, again, my first draft. So there should be no reason why your second draft isn't better than my first draft. All right, so you can always replace a sheet, but I don't know if you can just replace one. So it's something to think about there, okay? Well, hopefully that helps you. So that's how you would use the Genius Scan. All right, talk to you later. See ya.